All right, here's the big reveal. These eggs have been sitting in the fridge for a couple days. Remember, this one was in red cabbage juice. That's looking a very beautifully vibrant purple color right here. And this one was in the blueberry juice. And it kind of turned a little brown over the couple days it was in the fridge. So I wonder what it might do to the egg. Let's find out. Let's see if these tongs work. Nope, those tongs don't quite have the room to grab the egg. So I got this system ready just in case. Let's see if we can pour the juice out. Wow, look at that beautiful purple color. And then, whoop, there's the egg. Oh my goodness, so even though the juice was super purple, the egg is quite blue. And it looks like it has kind of darker parts, maybe where it was resting down on the bottom, and lighter parts where maybe it was resting near the top of the juice or against the glass of the jar. But I'm also noticing that as I rub it, do you see that? It's kind of rubbing some of the coloration off. I wonder if some of it's just kind of a film or a skin of the cabbage juice sitting on the egg. Maybe I will try to rinse that off in a minute, but let's first see what happened to the other egg. But oh my goodness, I want to show you this color first. Look at the color of this cabbage juice. Oh, that is one of the most pretty purples I've ever seen. Man, that's beautiful. All right, let's try the blueberry juice now. We're gonna mix the juices a little bit, see what happens, what color they make together. All right, kind of a brownish juice, a few little blueberry clumps in there. And here comes the egg. Huh. So remember, these eggs started brown, and this was the brown egg that had sat in the blueberry juice. And it looks like it has a couple stripes. That's kind of funny. Do you see those stripes on it? But besides that, it looks like the blueberry juice mostly kind of turned the egg a grayish color. Maybe kind of a grayish blue, but not much blue going on there. So I guess that's what happens when you put a brown egg into the blueberry juice. I'm gonna wash these off and see what they look like afterwards, and then I'll show you. All right, so I've washed them off and I kind of rubbed them while I was washing them. And this is the final result for the egg that was in the red cabbage juice. And I think it's actually very pretty that it has that little section that's kind of a softer blue that almost bubbles out into the darker blue, almost like a cloud or something on my egg. That is so nice. And it still has those lighter patches of brown, maybe where it was touching the glass and the juice couldn't get onto the eggshell as much, and a couple little scratches too. I wonder if those happened when I was trying to pick it up with the tongs. And then the other egg is still mostly brown with just, you know, some splattering of grayish on it. So that's interesting. That's a great discovery to make. I think I prefer the looks of this egg, but I am so glad I did them both because I never would have discovered what blueberry juice did to a brown egg if I hadn't done this one too. So great discoveries. Did you guys use any natural dyes made from stuff in your kitchen or in your yard on some eggs last week? If you did, send me some pictures or videos if you have them, or just email me with your discoveries for what colors they made. I would love to hear it. There we go. There are the final eggs. Goodbye.